Hey guys, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we have some exciting Autel news. The pre-order for the all-new Autel Alpha is now live on floridadronesupply.com. So what is the Autel Alpha? Well, this next level drone offers an array of features designed to elevate your flight experience. Autel Alpha is an intelligent industrial drone for multi-purposes that features autonomous flight capabilities, anti-interference, anti-jamming, 720-degree obstacle avoidance, and hot swappable batteries. Now I know that sounds like a lot of other drones on the market, so what makes the Alpha any different? Let's break that down really quick. The Alpha features IP55 weather rating for successful flights in any environment, a 560x super hybrid zoom camera. Yes, 560x zoom. So if you need to check on something in the next town over, now you can. It also features dual 640 by 512 thermal imaging cameras. Yes, 2 thermal cameras, a wide and a telephoto thermal. An ultra-sensitive starlight night vision camera, a laser rangefinder for up to 2,000 meters of ranging, 40 minutes plus of flight time, a 50 plus mile an hour top speed, and a 12.4 mile advertised transmission range. There are so many other features on this drone that we will showcase here on our channel once we get our hands on the Alpha. It is perfect for any industrial use, public safety, law enforcement, and energy inspection uses. So Autel took the 4T and the 4N, took all that amazing technology and elevated it for the Autel Alpha. So stay tuned for more information on the Alpha by clicking on the subscribe button below. And if you want to get on the pre-order list for the Autel Alpha, click on the link in the description. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.